How do businesses fudge their financials? Those who do. So I'm not saying that all the businesses would fudge the financials. Some of them, as we all know, but how they do, we as the nominee director, independent director, or in any other capacity on the boards of the company, need to be aware and use this awareness to ensure that the companies on whose boards we are sitting as independent director or nominee director, those companies do not indulge in any such practices. So, what companies would do? Under or over invoicing of income, under or over reporting of expenses, wrong accounting, capex as capex, and vice versa, non accounting of expenses and liabilities or income and assets, over accounting of expenses and liabilities or income and expenses, advances accounted as expense, loans negated against expenses or assets, booking expenses of other businesses, other company into this business, into the business where you are sitting there as a nominee director, loan amounts included in reserves and surplus, passing of business profits through related party transactions, and I'm sure all of us are aware of related party transaction and the kind of focus even SEBI and the government of India and the accounting standard setting boards all over the globe are laying emphasis on RPTs. Deliberate under or over costing of products, under and over invoicing, booking personal expenses in the business, over and under provisioning of expenses, over or under valuation of work in progress, siphoning of funds for unrelated related business activities, intercorporate loans to support other businesses, use of company funds for personal uses, use of business funds for buying luxury items for self, deliberate wrong accounting entries, use of companies funds for IPO and cry for advances. So these are some of the ways, friends, in which companies all over the world will fudge their financials. I'm repeating once again, it's not that all companies do, very few, very little companies do, but whenever they do, these are the ways and means they will use for the purpose of fudging their financials.